Which food is good for memory and learning? Blueberries. What is the medical term for a throat infection? Pharyngitis. Which part of the body heals the slowest? Bones. Which drink helps you stay alert? Coffee. How many bones are in a newborn baby's body? About 300. What organ controls the amount of water in the body? Kidneys. Which vitamin helps in strong bones? Vitamin D. What helps muscles grow stronger? Exercise. What does the abbreviation DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. What habit helps you sleep better? Reading before bed. Which organ stores vitamins and minerals? Liver. What helps skin stay healthy? Drinking water. Which body part keeps growing even after death? Nails. Which organ stores urine before it leaves the body? Bladder. Which drink helps clean the digestive system? Water. What kind of doctor takes care of children? Pediatrician. What organ sends messages through nerves? Brain. What helps protect the pancreas? Healthy diet. What type of doctor treats the heart? Cardiologist. What gas do lungs take in from the air? Oxygen. What helps protect your eyes? Sunglasses. What is the body's largest external organ? Skin. What is the medical term for the kneecap? Patella. What type of cell carries oxygen in the blood? Red blood cell. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin K. What's the medical term for nosebleed? Epistaxis. What nutrient helps move food in the intestines? Fiber. What's the medical term for liver inflammation? Hepatitis. Which organ absorbs nutrients into the blood? Small intestine. What part of the heart sends blood to the lungs? Right ventricle.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.